SHAB Technology Planning Production.
Other ports now. We have the VGA, we have the HDMI, we have the LAN, we have the USB, we have the audio and some other ports now, among others. Now, these are the components present inside the laptop. Then this is the screen and the connector now. Okay. It's also like that. Have you seen it? Have you seen the arrangement?
Yeah.
Can you differentiate between serial and parallel? Can you give an example of
This is serial, this is something like parallel.
Have you all seen it? Please, can you point to the USB?
Whatever.
Yeah, all this one is.
So thank you very much. You can go back to the seat.
Now, they do call it CPU. Meanwhile, the ideal name is what? So what I'm holding now is my system. Now, the component inside the system unit is what? Is the CPU. Now, which is what? The central processing unit. This is it. And this side now is painless. It doesn't have something like pin now. So, because I said we have the pin and the painless side. But the one I'm holding now is painless now. This is my CPU.
I think you want to go
Hope I'm clear. Just your DSO. You can verify you want to work with your system. You must ensure your environment when you exploit it. Where's your arm? Do you notice you can start generating some kind of hot air? Don't worry, do it.
It's not dark.
Yeah. Those are the precautions. I told you to remove your arm. Is there any other person that wants to? That you told me to do it. You want to say you guys did you yes, yes.
Who did brush?
Trace the drain, then you come to the what?
Black.
To the black. Now let's confirm if it's working.
our fan roll.
Wow. Yes, sir.
Let me remove it. Let's check the fan. Has it stopped?
It has stopped working, sir.
Let's test it again.
Wow.
It's working.
It's working, sir.
That's the whole thing. That's how you do it. You connect it gradually till the whole thing works. You all get it. Please, any question before we proceed? So thank you very much. So that's how to go about it. The advanced aspect of it now is reconnecting it to our voltmeter, then our switch. So our switch also, it has terminal, the negative and the positive. You do that same procedure that is. But in the case of switch now, I'm going to sketch it so that we can get it. Now let's take one of it as an example now. You know, this is the first one we did. Then this is the other one we did. Then inside this, that's where we insert our first terminal of our device. Then the other one. Let's say this is the positive, then this is the negative. I'm trying to explain this now. You get it? This is negative, that is, this is this. Positive, this is this. Now, I want to connect this to my switch. I said the switch too also has what? Terminals. Let's assume this is my switch. This is my switch. When you press it down, it's on. When it's off, it do what? It's off. You get it? I said the switch also have what? The terminal. Let's say this is the terminal for the switch now. In this case, this is my switch. This is my cable. Now, you know, if you are to connect this now, this is what you need to do. This is the negative, right? Let's say this is the negative, this is the positive. You all get it now. Listen to this simple physics now. You see this is your negative now. You connect it to your positive terminal. Have you seen it? You are left with what? This is the negative. This is the positive. You are left with what? Positive and what? Negative. This particular positive and negative, that's when you will connect to your source, to your power source. Do you all get it now? So the moment you connect it appropriately, just like the way I sketch it, this switch will automatically works. Do you get it? That was how you do switch off when you do everything. That's just the simple analogy. Do you get it now? So that's how to do about it.
SHAB Technology.
Based on their connection, the SATA and the Papa. And you've seen the one for the artist and the one for the one. Now let me explain to make it more easier for you guys. Based on their connection. Now, in this case, I showed you guys SATA, right? I said the SATA, this is. I said SATA is serial advanced technology technology attachment. But in the case of pattern, we'll be talking about parallel advanced technology what attachment. That's based on their connection. Then in this power cable, hope you can all see. Now let me now explain to you. In this case now, I want to use this system now as a case study now. I want to tell you the CPU bit and how it works. Now you need to, alongside with my PC, just like I explained to you, I said, this is my CPU now. Hope you can all see it. Hope this is my CPU. This is what? The central processing unit. This is it. And this side now is pinless. It doesn't have something like pin now. So, but I said we have the pin and the pinless side. But the one I'm holding now is pinless now. This is my CPU. Now I said I want to show you the heat, how it generates heat. Then I explained the other time that the moment you insert this, the moment this starts generating heat, there's what we call the thermal paste. This is it on the board. It's quite unfortunate that this one is almost dried up. It's even dried up, as you can see. Then the moment this starts generating heat, the thermal paste will cool it down. This serves as coolant. Then this are as well. This is the heat. It absorbs the heat. The moment it absorbs the heat, the cooling fan will now blow it away. Then it will also cool it as well. So now I will explain to you now. It's as easy as that.
Computer PC comparison. Then under it, we'll be using desktop and laptop. And these are desktop, and these are laptop. Then component comparison. That is all those components in laptop and components in desktop. The laptop and desktop. Then we now be talking about the similarities and differences in laptop and desktop PC components and some other ones. Now this is what we do now. I'll be working on laptop, then my partner will be working on desktop. So please let's start. Doing the main work now. The first thing we need to do is to ensure our environment, that is where we want to work, our working space is very clean.
I file setup now. So this is what we do. We start the system. Then we enter the BIOS setup. Depending on how the programmer or the manufacturer program the functions to enter it. So you need to be very fast when doing that. So it's trying to shut down. After doing that, then I save it. Now this is how to go about it. On my screen now. Can you all see my screen now? But please hope I'm audible enough. Can you all hear me? Now I'm going to create a new folder. Then once you open the folder, now please close the folder. Close it. Now you know we've minimized the Visual Studio app now. Now please open it. Open it. Open it. Have you all opened it? Now let's restart the process again. Now click on File. Click on File. Have you all clicked on File? So let's just follow that procedure now. I said you go to File, then you go to File, you go to New, then you go to Project, then you rename it. So which name are you using now? Or what name are you using? Code test 1. Code test 1. Now we want to change the directory now where we want to save it. Now in front of that location, do you see it? We have something like C:/ user/ and some other ones now. Now you in front of you see something like browse. Click on browse. Have you seen it? Now go to your desktop now. Go to your desktop. Now select the folder you just created. What's the name of the folder now? Code test sample. Now select the folder. Have you all seen it? Now select OK. Are we all on the same page? Or should I recap? Are you all getting it? Now click on OK. So that's to tell us that anything we want to do now is going to save where? On our desktop, right? Now the something is loading, right? We want to edit that form. Now the choice is yours depending on how you feel you want it to be like. Now go to back color. Automatically a color palette will appear. Do you all see it? Now select custom. Select custom. Have you seen it? Select custom and select any color you feel like you want to use. Just that one is just a matter of choice depending on the one you want to use. Just select it. So do you get it now? Should I proceed?
SHAB Technology Planet.
can all see these are our Bluetooth, right? That's to show us that our Bluetooth is there. Now, what do we want to do now? We want to check whether it is being dragged or not. In cases like this, I think when it's not being dragged, the moment you click on that Bluetooth, you're going to see a drop down. Have you seen it? All these are the series of all these are the list of connected devices. Now, in this case now, I think when it's not dragged, you're going to see something like a yellow question mark. You see this case now. Have you all seen this? Yes. This is blue, right? But in that case, I think when it's not dragged, you're going to see something like yellow question mark, or you see something like a caution mark. All these ones are being dragged. I think if they are not being dragged, you're going to see something of such. Now, let's proceed now. We check whether it is being dragged.
I want to ask
now, connecting our Bluetooth now. Now, what I'm holding right now, this is my external now. Now, I'm going to insert it. You know, I said it has USB end. You're going to insert it inside the USB port. Then the system is going to dictate it. Let's close all this. Then check it. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
Installing it. It's trying to install. So the system will detect it works. You're going to see something like press any key. So you just press any key. There's nothing like any key on the keyboard. Any key means any key. So that's how.
SHAB Technology Channel Production. SHAB Technology Channel Production.
As you can see, today has been a very busy day. Got to go rest. I'm damn tired, man. So fucked up. Everything has been so horrible for me today. It's not easy. Life of an IT. It's not easy at all. So I got to go to my room to get some rest for another day. I'm damn tired, man. Thank you very much, guys. I got to go rest. Actually, we hardly sleep, we only nap. As you can see on my bed here with me, I have some other books I've been reading so far because I do made a lot of research. You know, it's not easy. As tech evolve, you have to move around with it. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching my clips. So that was how we IT live our life. So thank you very much for watching my clip. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel at SHAB Technology Planning. So thank you very much. I really appreciate you.